My name is Michelle. For those who don't know, I discovered Lilla Rose on the internet when I was doing blogs with other various companies. We used to put together giveaways, company sponsored, and then a group of us would get together and add our links as the entry for it. And I kept seeing this hair clip. And it was right around Black Friday that I saw a lot of these giveaways. So I kept joining and trying to win. And I was also entering my link so I can get people on my blog. And I was shocked that people were paying the price they were for these clips. I'm like, no, this is outrageous. So a couple months later, my husband and I decided to go to the Philadelphia Flower Show, and we checked out the vendors there, and I saw the clips. I was like, wow, this is amazing. So I went over to the table to look at them and mentioned that I was familiar with them. And I'm like, these aren't plastic. These are metal. These are like real beaded, like you can hear them clanging in the background. These are sturdy products. No wonder why people are paying the price that they are, because I know these plastic clips that I'm using in my hair, they don't last for anything. You got the alligator one where the clasp suddenly doesn't reach the end to hold it and it springs across the room, or you have the elastics that just break after like the second use, or scrunchies that kind of get that smell in the fabric after a while, especially for someone like me who styles my hair wet. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go back to that person that I saw on the internet and I'm going to place an order with them. So I did. She helped me figure out my size, and we went with a small for a half up, which is my go-to style, is a half up. Things have changed over the years though. And I fell in love with it. So I went ahead and I couldn't believe I was doing this. I decided to become a stylist and sell for myself, because I'm like, I spent all these years looking for products to hold my hair that wouldn't break. And I finally found them. I'm like, I need to tell other people about these. I know I'm not the only one out there suffering with not finding the right product to hold their hair, especially if you have thick hair or even fine hair. Middle of the road, you kind of got it a little easier than the rest of us, right? So I wanted to show you some of the products that we have. They come in 7 sizes. I have all coordinating pieces. This is a mini, so this is great for extra fine hair, or if I just want to take a portion of my hair and pull it back and use it like you would for a bobby pin. So the pin slides under the hair, and then you hold the beaded part over, and then what you do is you maneuver the pin underneath until it comes, didn't hook it, comes through. There we go. So that is one style that I can use with them. And then we have extra smalls is the next size up, again, great for fine hair. And for my thick hair, I just take a little bit of the strands in the front, because I don't like my hair touching my cheeks. I'm not sure how you feel. And I just twirled 2 strands. I'm going to hold them back, and I'm going to show you how I can wear an extra small. Now, when I was sized for a small, and that was behind the ears, pull up to the top. So the middle of my hair is not actually in the clip, and this was my small size. And my hair was a lot shorter back then, but the thickness was the same. So here's the small, same thing. I'm just going to put it underneath the hair, hold the beaded part end down, and slide it through. But then there's some days that I want it lower. I don't want something this high up in my hair. And that's when we discovered I needed a medium. And when I placed my second order, I ordered mediums and large, because I did a second order before actually joining. And then this way I can go in with the medium, and it's no longer right here. And even though it's in the back of the head, if I rest against a car seat, it's not sticking out and hurting me. For a ponytail, I need to go up a size. Now, everyone varies on what they can do with it, and we have sizing videos that you can take a look at and figure out which one suits your hairstyling needs. My now go-to style is a half up, but what I do is I add a little twist to it. Gather the hair into a ponytail. I'm going to twist it and fold it in half. And you're like, what? Just wait, you'll see. So I got it, do one twist, and I'm folding it in half. So I have a knot here, and it's okay if I have the strands hanging down. I love that messy look. And I can use a medium. And then what I do is I just fluff up the curls on the top. We also have them in extra large and mega. This is the largest size that we have. And then for reference, this is the small size. We also offer U-pins, which are curved, so that way you can do an updo style in your hair. We also have headbands that you can wear as a necklace. Here it is with the elastic band that's adjustable and stretchable. And we also have salon quality bobby pins. So everything that I just showed you, minus the headband, is in a design called Crimson Joy. It's my absolute favorite and is usually available during the holidays.